Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be upgrading the backup lights on this 2017 F250 to LED. For those of you who've been to our channel before, might have seen our video where we upgraded the high and low beam headlights and the tail lights to LED on this truck as well. All of them are by Auxito. It's more budget friendly than some of the other ones, and that's what we want. That's what we're looking for, because there's a lot of lights on these trucks. So can convert them all over to LED could be a costly endeavor. So we're going to take the budget route, and hopefully it does this well. But before we get started on doing that backup light, we want to give you guys an update on the LED headlights that we did, and also the tail lights. So far, it's probably been over, well, I'd say 10 months or so that we've put the headlights in. We've used them for the full 10 months because they're on all the time when you're driving, and also the tail lights. You know, use those constantly, especially in heavy traffic. So far so good. They've been working great for us. We haven't had any issues, no outages. The fans still run everything that you would expect on a good quality LED conversion. So right now doing these backup lights are pretty much as easy as doing the tail lights that you've seen in our previous video. We'll try to leave a link to it somewhere here. We're just going to take the two screws out, 5/16. We're going to use the 5/16 bit driver on our little thing here. Take it easy because it does go into plastic when you're tightening them back in. 5/16 on that, and then you take those out, and then you pull the light out at a slight angle and it comes right out. But make sure you support it. The wires are still connected. We'll show you which one's the backup one. I'm sure y'all could tell, but we'll point that out for you. And it's as easy as pulling the one and plugging in the other. So it's pretty easy. So with that being said, guys, let's get over here and see how hard of a job it's going to be. All right, we're over here at the tail light, guys. We're just going to be pulling out this 5/16 here bolt, and this one down here. That's all that holds this light in. That's why these are easy. Like I said, be careful if you're going to use the nut driver, especially going in. You don't want to, break the plastic out. So we got those out. Now when you're pulling the light, you want to pull this corner a little and give it pull it like a slight angle out, like that. That's it. Remember, don't pull too hard. You still have your wires connected on the back here. You don't want to pull on any of those too hard. Now on this one, let me get you guys a little closer here. Now the one we're going to be looking for the backup light is this green colored one here on the Super Duty. And it's just like the other ones. You're just going to twist it like a quarter turn and pull it out. And you can see the bulb right there. We're going to be replacing that. Let's open this one with these nice LED ones, much brighter. Look at that. You guys see that? It's even got that halo lens thing on the front. It's pretty awesome. Lights all the way around it. So this should be a whole lot brighter. So let's get this one pulled out. The same thing as the backup lights, or the tail lights. It's just going to be a pull out. Just to pull it straight out. Whoa. Just like that. We got it out. You can see that kind there. Yeah, don't drop it like I did, especially if you plan to ever have to put it back in. Then you just plug these ones back in. You'll notice these are considerably longer, like double. Excuse me, double the length here. But they should fit in the lens good. We're going to find out. They do fit in, no problem. Can you guys see it in there? They fit in without touching. So even though they're like double the length, they fit in nicely. And that's it for changing these. It goes in that simple. And we just put that back in. Get our screws, put them in there. And then tighten those down. Remember I said don't go too tight, especially if you're using the nut driver. Just go really slow. Couple of little clicks. There we go. And that part's done. If you're doing this for the first time, like this is the first light you're doing, and your truck's not LED already, you're gonna have like the fast blink on your dash letting you know like, well, your tail light's out because of the lower voltage of the LED lights. In a previous video, we show you how to go into Scan on your truck, on the Fords, and change that so you don't get that fast blink. So go back and take a look at those if you need to know how to do that. That'll help you out so you don't have to be listening to that annoying fast beep. All right, now that we did this side, we're gonna zoom over to the other side and get that done real quick. And just like that, guys, we have it done. Literally took us 50 seconds we timed it from taking this out, changing the bulb out, and put it back in. 50 seconds. That's how fast it is to change these. So it's a simple job to get done. All right, here's a view of these at night, and it is bright. I mean, it brightens up this whole area back here. So these are way brighter than original. Awesome upgrade. Well, there you have it. A quick, easy way to upgrade the lighting on your truck that's really affordable compared to replacing the whole lens and everything out to that LED, because that gets super expensive. Like I said, there's so many lights on this truck. And they look good in there, they fit in under a minute. Like, it took us 50 seconds. We timed it to take it out, change the bulb, put it back in, 50 seconds. So about a minute aside, if you know what if you're comfortable with it, that's pretty quick. I mean, that's a quick upgrade. The headlights, as you see in our video, if you haven't, please check that out. We'll try to leave a link somewhere down below on doing the headlights. That one's a little more involved, but so worth it in the end. It's so much brighter. Love those lights. We're going to be doing the fog lights right here. You can see these. We're going to be doing these fog lights on the F250. You might have seen in some of our other videos. We did the LED headlight upgrades on that also. Also the taillight upgrades on that 150. So if you look for the 250, 150, 350, you can watch our videos to show you how to do it, how to get these, where to go to get these. And if you guys are interested in these, you can go to their website. We'll leave a link down below, Auxito's website, where you can pick yourself up a set of whatever you're trying to replace, or the whole set for your whole car, because I do sell kits that have all the lights for your car. We decided to go like a couple at a time just to kind of give them a test. But now that we've had the headlights this long and we're pretty comfortable with it, we feel comfortable upgrading the rest of the lights to these and not having to worry about it. If you guys do decide to go here and do an upgrade, if down below, if you use the code Jimmy2Tech, you'll see it down below. You do get a big discount on your order. Again, it is an affiliate link. It does help us out. We appreciate the support, but we do so far stand behind them. It works great for us. So go check them out. Get yourself a big discount using our code. If you guys do have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. We do get to all of them. If you need a question on installing yours or anything like that, get with us. We'll help you out the best we can. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything we do. Hit that bell notification. That'll let you know when we post our next video. It might be something you're interested in, because our channel is a little bit of everything. And until next time, guys, try something new.